told me not to come here, but curiosity is stronger than fear. This forest is quiet, too quiet. Every step feels like a question, and the forest is waiting for an answer. Wait, did you hear that? Listen, that sound wasn't the wind. It wasn't the trees. It was something alive. A wolf. Strong, silent, watching. But I don't run. Because bravery isn't about fighting. It's about standing calm. The wolf looks at me, then turns away. Maybe he wasn't a threat. Maybe he was a test. Mission complete. The adventure continues.